so bad. Feel me within, I'm gonna win. Ain't got a question, cause I got you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Cause I got you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh my, what a sacrifice. He really suffered up until he died. Yet here I am just moaning and groaning, complaining. Power is on my side. So this that I'm going through, had to change my thoughts and my attitude. Clear my mind if I thought I would lose. I was wrong, what is fear? I don't know. Rise above it, let's go higher. Feel the spirit overflow. Flow, yeah. It's hypnosis, I will get past. It's not so bad. Feel me within, I'm gonna win. Ain't got a question. Holy Ghost inside, precious gift from the Lord. Oh, to change my
Guys, welcome back to another video. Let's just go into the daily time frame. Now, my bias is bearish, right? It has been bearish since the last video I've posted, and I wasn't actually confident in my bias being bearish here, but as you can see, price actually respected my bias. So what am I looking at? Price respected. I can't say we can call this an order block. Can we call this an order block? Because it's just like a doji, right? Can we call this an order block? I wonder if we can call this an order block. But price is respecting this bullish candle right here, right? And what do I mean when I say respecting? I mean that like we didn't get a candle body close above it. It just went through and came back down, right? And my bias was still bearish because of that. Then from there on, we are expecting these lows to get run. I was expecting these lows to get run, and as you can see, the lows got run, right? And the thing that would invalidate my bias is if price trades above this bullish candle right here. Yes, that's what would invalidate my bias. Now let us go to the 1 hour time frame. Now one thing that I can see is that we are in a deep discount, right? On the 1 hour time frame, no matter where you draw the range, right? We are in a deep discount. We are in a discount, guys. So one thing, I'm not expecting a deep retracement as of yet, right? Because price can just sweep this right here and then go lower, so if we get like large displacement, like a lot of displacement to the upside, and maybe even take out this intermediate term high, that's when we can say, okay, we're getting a large retracement. But that will make me sit on the sidelines, guys. So let's go to the 15-minute now. On the 15-minute, what am I looking for? I'm looking for price to take out these buy stops, right? Give us that Judah swing, go above the midnight opening price, and then go lower, right? Price can also potentially take out these, but so far I'm looking at these relatively equal highs right here. If price takes that out and then goes lower, I'll look for my entry model somewhere around here, right? And that's what I'm looking at right now, guys. So since I've read price, what I'm going to do right now is that yesterday I did not finish watching episode 38 of the 2022 mentorship. So I'm just gonna finish episode 28 up, 38, not 28, 38 up, and then I'm gonna watch episode 39. And my laptop is now tripping, so you guys can already see what I'm dealing with here. Anyways, let me close this video. No, in fact, let me show you guys what I'm actually doing. So my YouTube already knows that whenever I open YouTube, it's to watch ICT. You see, I didn't even need to search ICT. It knows that, hey Baba, we mean business here. Okay, let's go to this. Yes, I didn't finish this, right? Ooh, let me go back. So I did not finish this right here. So I have to finish this, and then I'm gonna watch this after, right? So it's gonna take a while. It's gonna take a while, but yeah. So yeah.
So if you guys know, yesterday was a public holiday. It was the elections, one of the most important elections that our country has ever had in such a long time, mainly because the ANC has been disappointing us. But that is not the reason I'm here today. Now, because it was a public holiday, my dad was here the whole day today. And he has a tendency of making me do whatever he wants me to do, whenever he wants me to do whatever he wants me to do when he's here, right? And I don't have a problem with that. The problem is when you have your whole day sorted out. Because as much as it was a public holiday for everyone else in South Africa, for us traders, it was not, because the market is still moving, right? It's not a public holiday for the whole world. It's just for South Africa. So the market is still moving, and I still have some ICT videos to watch, right? So I had work to do yesterday, not like everyone else who was free from doing work. So my dad kept on coming in my room, opening the door, talking, coming out, sending me blame, no. And I just asked him, please, can you just give me time to focus? I'm busy right now, you know. And then, of course, he did not respect that. He kept on opening the room, doing this, doing that, doing this, doing that, right? And I just stopped watching ICT because it's not conducive, guys. You know that whenever you watch ICT, you need to have laser eyes focused. You need to have laser eyes focused. And whenever somebody's just coming in your room and distracting you and doing all of those things, it's really, really hard. You miss a lot. So I just stopped watching ICT, right? And I just went to him like, okay, here I am now. What do you need, right? And he asked me a question. He's like, what were you doing? And it's like, bro, what do you think I'm doing this whole time? Like, what do you think I am doing? Whenever you go to work, what do you think do you think I'm not doing anything, bro? You know, anyways, it's like, what were you doing, right? And it's like, for me, that's what I said in my mind. I'm like, what do you think I was doing this whole time? But when he asked that question, I just kept quiet. And then he's like, no, I'm just interested in what you were doing, right? And I'm like, then I answered him. I'm like, okay, I was studying the market and I was learning more about the market, right? And he asked me a question. He's like, have you started trading? And that's when I realized that this person is not interested in what I am doing. He just wants to know whether I'm making money or not. What I'm doing doesn't concern him. He just wants to know whether I'm making money or not, right? And then I just realized that, bro, a lot of our family members, especially if you live in South Africa. Okay, not South Africa. I'm lying, not South Africa. I think this is universal. But most black families, guys, they won't support a dream until it becomes a reality. You know, they won't support a dream while it's still a dream. They'll support it when it becomes reality, when they start seeing money. For as long as you're not making money, bro, it doesn't matter to them, bro. It doesn't matter the progress you are making. It doesn't matter, bro. It's just about, are you making money or not? You understand? And they don't understand that this is a process. They don't understand that this is a process. They don't understand that this is a journey. They don't understand how hard trading is, right? All they just don't know is whether you're making money or not. And it's like, bro, I still have to learn what I'm doing before I make money. And I feel like that logic applies to them only when it comes to school, nothing else. You know, in other things, you just have to make money. You know, okay, there's this big truck that just stopped here and it's making noise. So I think I'll just continue this later on. So the truck driver just stopped his truck, and I'm just gonna say this. Now there's an aeroplane. There's so much noise, guys. I'm not gonna lie. But anyways, firstly, I am grateful for the fact that I have a house to live in. I'm grateful that I have a laptop, there's Wi-Fi, and ICT is free. Essentially, I have everything I need. And I do not need my family, or you do not need your family to believe in your dream in order for your dream to be a reality. You know, you don't need them to understand what you're doing. You don't need them to see you make money. You don't need to prove to them that it actually works or whatever. You don't need all of that in order for you to achieve your dream, right? All you just need is to focus on your grind. As much as it is discouraging, as much as whenever your family, like my family members, guys, now, especially ones that are outside of my immediate family. Let's say you have a big family gathering, right? Okay, not necessarily a family gathering, but let's say family is just here, right? Even if it can just be one outside family member, right? And you open your laptop, they'll probably just be like, why are you always on your laptop? What is the use of this thing? What is the use of this thing when you're not making money? You know, like why do you even do this, bro? And they don't understand that it's a process. Most people don't understand that trading is a business, and it's not a business which it's extremely difficult. Trading is very, very hard, and you don't just want to squander your money in the market. You actually want to know what you are doing, because you are dealing with something very serious, and they do not understand that. They do not understand that, but it's not for them to understand. It's not for them to see. Their vision is not for them to see. God gave you this vision for a reason. God gave me this vision for a reason. The truck driver's back again. Okay, but he's leaving now, so... Anyways, their vision is not... Your vision is not for them to see, right? But don't quit, guys. Just keep going. And let me go watch ICT now, because I feel like me shooting this video is me now procrastinating. So let me go watch ICT, and then I'll see you guys when it's time to go to the gym. Guys, so I just finished watching episode 38, and I watched 21 minutes of episode 39. Now, it did not take me 21 minutes to watch episode 39, but you know, all the rewinding and writing notes and everything, right? And it takes a while for you to actually just watch 21 minutes, right? It took me like an hour, 30 minutes. So considering the fact that I have to shoot this video, considering the fact that I also have to go to the gym, considering the fact that I have to go to church later on today, I don't think that I should watch this video any longer. So what I'm going to do is that once I come from the gym, if I have time, I'm going to watch, and then even after church, I'm going to watch more ICT, right? And I know you guys are going to be watching this video later on in the day, but do not expect this video at 7:30, because I want to shoot myself at church, right? Shoot the service and everything, you know, just show you how it's like when I go to church during the week. And yeah, another thing, when I was telling you guys about the situation with my dad, it's so funny how when I opened YouTube on my phone, this came up by ICT. It's like he knows. It's like he knows. You know, and even the thumbnail is how I was looking when my father just kept on opening the door and doing all of that. It's like he knows, bro. It's like he knows. You know, it's like he knows. But anyways, I'm going to watch that now, and after that, I'm preparing myself to go to the gym right now, so I'll see you guys there. So guys, I come from the gym right now, and I forgot to let you guys know that my dad actually fixed the car, you know, single-handedly, boy. We didn't buy any part, we didn't do whatever, single-handedly fixed a CV joint, you know. And one thing that I've realized, guys, now, that God is always there. I'm not gonna lie to you, because while we were fixing the car, we found out that the inner CV joint was completely loose, meaning that this left tire right here could have fell off any time I was driving. But it so happened that the car broke down when this happened too. Is that a coincidence? I don't think so, right? When there was a possibility of the wheel falling off while I was driving, the car also broke. you know, up until we realized that there was a possibility of the wheel falling off while I was driving. So yeah, if you're wondering what this is, by the way, these are clothes that I bought from Shein, right? So we can go check them out actually. Yeah. Hello there. You might say that I'm looking classy today. Well, I did not buy this to wear. I actually bought this for a specific day. So don't be like, hey boy, where you going with suspenders? Nah boy, nah. This is for a specific day, and I'll probably be vlogging that day, so you guys will know why I actually bought this right here. But let's go check out the clothes. So I actually got this new phone cover too, and I got something very cool, which is a pen. And I know some of you guys are like, okay bro, a pen, what's so cool about a pen? Well, it was actually inspired by Mark Hutchinson, you know. Like, he said that if you want to be successful, okay, not necessarily, this is not a prerequisite to being successful, but write your daily goals in a pen that you actually take serious. And ever since he said that, I was like, you know what, I have a journal that I take serious, I have a pen that I take serious, so let me take my goals serious. I don't know how that makes sense, but it just makes sense to me, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So guys, I'm about to go to church right now. I'm actually very late. I'm very late today, so yeah, I'm just gonna shoot that, and then when I come back, you guys will get your video. And just like that, I'm back from church. So right now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to post this video, and I am going to make some dinner to eat, watch more ICT, and then head to bed. That is my day. This is a day in my life. Have a wonderful one, guys.